Hey everyone, welcome back. Getting this embarrassing but something went wrong. Tap retry to try again in whatnot. Here's what's causing it and how to fix it. This something went wrong error appears when Whatnot's app loses its connection to their server mid-session. It's their catch-all error or for a failed server request. Most of the time, first try and give it 10 to 15 seconds. If it's a brief server hiccup, retry alone resolves it most of the time. If retry keeps failing, force close Whatnot from your recent apps and reopen it completely since a fresh session re-authenticates with Whatnot servers from scratch. If the error appears repeatedly across multiple sessions, check status what.not.com in Safari to confirm whether there is an actual active Whatnot outage. They had a major multi-service incident on July 7, 2026 on June 24th, 2026. So server side issue do happen. If the status page shows all clear, try airplane mode reset, then open it. So all you gotta do is tap retry first, then force close and reopen, then check status.whatnot.com. If it keeps happening, then the error clears and that's it. Subscribe.